In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install XMP presets into Adobe Lightroom. The easiest way to get started is to begin in Lightroom. What we want to do is install some new presets into this area of the Develop module in Lightroom. Again, the Develop module is in the top right. The first step we're going to take is open the Lightroom Classic menu bar item. Click on Preferences. Within the second tab of this window, you'll see Presets. Within this Presets tab, we're going to click on the Show Lightroom Develop Presets button here. This button is going to open a Finder window, or if you're using Windows, a Windows Explorer window that will show you where we can install the presets. Clicking on the button now will open a new Finder window, and we need to install the presets within this Settings subfolder here. The presets that I want to install, I've already downloaded to my desktop. These are all of the individual preset files that we're going to install in Lightroom within this folder. The next step is to take the presets folder that we'd like to install and copy or move it into the settings folder we just navigated to like this. Now all we have to do is restart Lightroom and the presets will appear in the Develop module. So I'm going to cancel, close Lightroom. Now when I reopen Lightroom, as you can see, the preset folder that we just copied is now located within Lightroom's Develop module.